Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to show you how to create perfect infographics with Nanobanana Pro. Let's see how. Okay, so guys, here right now, so to create that kind of infographic images, using Nanobanana Pro. So first of all, you go to Google Flow. Once you are in Google Flow, then click on New Project. So once you click on New Project, then this is where you can generate the prompt. So we'll go to images, like I've okay, go to images. All right, so you click on images. So once you are in images, so you can turn the prompt. So first of all, you go to ChatGPT and type this prompt. Let's say generate 10 classroom regulation lists for kindergarten kids. So click on it right now. Okay, so now once you have the information ready, so once you have the information ready, then you just go over and copy the information that you want to be on your infographic, image. So once you copy these things, then you go over to Flow and type this prompt. So I'll place this prompt in the in the description of this video so you can as well use it. So now you say create. Okay, so this is the prompt. Now, create an infographic based on the following information accompanied by relevant visuals appropriate for audience. Now, the audience right now is kindergarten kids, which is for kids age 3 to 10. So, aspect ratio, you can use whatever you like. Let's say 16 by 9. Okay, 16 by 9. Then the information you've copied from ChatGPT, then you can then paste it right now. So once you paste the information, then you scan the prompt right now. So okay, okay, okay. So guys, the image is ready. Can you see how it is? So this is this is perfect, guys. This is perfect, guys. This is so perfect. As you can see this is a very valid infographic that you can use. Can you can sell on Etsy, sell for Fiverr, and you can as well print them and use them for yourself as well. So you can then download the image. So once you download, then this is the other option. It's created two at a time. So this is so guys, so you can download this one as well, and you can see these are perfectly made. So and you can see this is Nano Banana Pro being used here, and this is Nano Banana Pro. This is you can see Nano Banana Pro, and you can see this is zero credits, right? So this is free, so you can get to create unlimited images using unlimited infographic images using Nano Banana Pro. So guys, please make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can see this kind of content coming to your way, guys. See you guys. Goodbye.